New to Binance? You're not alone. From how to deposit to what BNB even is, we've got all your top beginner questions covered. Let's break it down fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. Let's get started. Binance is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, founded in 2017. It's used globally and known for its strong security features like 2FA, withdrawal whitelisting, and anti-phishing codes. As long as you follow best practices, it's one of the safest places to trade crypto. Head to Binance.com or the app, click register, and enter your email and password. You'll then complete KYC. That means uploading your ID and a selfie. Verification usually takes minutes to a few hours. Binance has several wallet types: Spot Wallet for regular trading, Funding Wallet for P2P, and Binance Pay Futures Wallet for leveraged trading. You can transfer funds between these in seconds. To deposit crypto, go to Wallet, Deposit, choose the coin and network. Always double-check the network. For fiat, use bank transfer, card, or even P2P depending on your region. There are three main ways. Use the Convert feature for simple swaps, use the spot market for live trading, or go through P2P to buy directly from other users. Choose what's easiest for you. Security is key. Enable 2FA with Google Authenticator. Set an anti-phishing code. Use a strong, unique password. Never share your codes or click suspicious links. Tap on Wallet, Overview, or choose individual wallets like Spot or Funding. You'll see your balance, coin holdings, and estimated value all in one place. Binance offers low trading fees, typically 0.1%, but if you pay with BNB, you get a 25% discount. Also, higher volume traders get lower fees through VIP tiers. BNB is Binance's native token. You can use it to get trading fee discounts, participate in Launchpad, or pay on Binance Pay. Holding BNB gives you access to more features and savings. To withdraw, go to Wallet, Withdraw, pick your coin, and paste the address. Triple check the address and network. Always use whitelisted addresses and 2FA to stay safe. That wraps up our Binance Beginner FAQ. Found this helpful? Hit subscribe, tap like, and comment with your biggest Binance question. We might feature it next. And remember, in crypto, knowledge is your best asset.